Coastal flooding on the way. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and we see that strip of orange right here for the Saturday morning high tides. High tides will be between 7 to 9 a.m. as a rainstorm comes through for our Saturday morning. Make sure to move your cars along the bays as well as along the marshes if your area usually floods. Now, don't drive through the flooded water. The reason being is twofold. One, you do not know how deep that water is, but two, it is salt water and will corrode your car. Now, fortunately, in minor flood stage, no water inundation into your homes or into your businesses. That's only when we get to moderate flood stage, which does have an outside shot of occurring near Cape May and along the Delaware Bay as well. It's our first coastal flooding event since December 31st in Cape May, according to the National Weather Service. For this morning, temperatures rising from the 30s into the 40s. Here is a cloudy sky. We have an easterly wind blowing. It's going to become a little more damp throughout the day, but it's not a bad day for any outdoor work or activities. In fact, temperatures will be in the upper 40s here, just about 7 degrees above average for this time of year. Here's our 7-day forecast. Rain starts between 4 to 6 a.m. on Saturday, ends between noon and 3 p.m. here. Then we're clearing out a little bit. Sunday will be mostly cloudy, but as you see, as we go into the week, fairly calm conditions for us here again in South Jersey. Very similar to this past week where the work week is dry and then we see a storm for the weekend. And yes, I am saying as we go into our first weekend of February, that we will be talking about some kind of storm nearby. We'll have the latest details for you on that as we get over this weekend. We'll be tracking the rain, and we will be tracking the coastal flooding on social media. Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at ACPressMartucci, or thepressafac.com/weather.